Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix League of Legends unexpected error with login session. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So there are some ways you can solve that problem out is that one is simply you can click the free trial button to download and install LecoFast, which will also help you out. Now on the next thing is you have to check the server status. If the server is down, then you will have the issues with the login session, so check it out and wait for it. Now restart your device as well. If it still does not help, restart your device once and try to log in again. It should help you out. Next thing is verifying your internet connection. If your internet connection is not so good, you can switch to your cellular data, or if it's not working as well, you can switch to another Wi-Fi. You can check it out if that works as well. Once you've done that, you're gonna update your game client as well, and if that doesn't work, you can simply choose to disable firewall or antivirus. If you have enabled them, you disable them once and try to log in again. That should help you out as well. Otherwise, try one of the steps or all if you need, and it should help you out. That is it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.